Hey guys, hey guys, I'm sorry. For the haze, right? You can see here is. Oh, sorry. If you can see, the haze is actually, I think it's gone. Cause for me, if the weather now is actually a normal day. What the fuck? But what am I talking about, man? Okay, whatever. The haze, right? I think is decreasing, but I'm not sure at Marina Bay because my friend told me that they only take the PSI from Marina Bay because they say that it's nearer to Sumatra. To Indonesia, I guess. But whatever, it's a great news that haze is actually decreasing. But I think it might come. I think it will increase at night because night every time the wind is so strong, it can push. The wind pushes strong. The wind blows very strong, and I think the haze also tag along with the wind. So I think I know the haze is not totally gone, but at least you can at least go out now, right? Without using that stupid mask that they every time ask we to use. You at least don't need to go out walking in the street with that awkward looking mask, then talking to people like you're some assassin ninja like that, I guess. So for whatever reason, for me it's a good news, but I'm not sure about you guys, because I know some of you guys said, oh no, the haze is gone, I want more holidays. Yeah, but it's actually good, you can do your regular things that you usually do. So here's a report of the haze. Thank you guys, peace.